People think fitness is only about how you look, but real fitness goes much deeper. It's about how you live, how you heal, how you show up for yourself every single day. Your body is just the surface. The true transformation begins in your mind. Fitness teaches discipline, self-control, and mental strength. Every rep, every walk, every stretch is a reminder that you can overcome challenges, inside and out. Stress, anxiety, heartbreak, fitness helps you release it. Movement becomes therapy. It becomes the space where you put down the weight the world has placed on your shoulders. As a veteran, as a leader, as someone who serves your community, you carry a lot. Fitness isn't about chasing perfection. It's about building resilience. It gives you the clarity to lead, the peace to breathe, and the strength to keep going. You don't need a six-pack to be proud of yourself. Celebrate the days you showed up, the days you didn't quit, the days you stretched instead of staying in pain, the days you put your mental health first. Fitness connects us. Whether you're an officer, a veteran, a mom, a beginner, or a comeback story, movement reminds us that we're all fighting to become better versions of ourselves. Fitness is more than muscles. It's more than aesthetics. It's a lifestyle that strengthens your mind, heals your heart, and fuels your purpose. If you're on this journey, keep going. You're becoming stronger in more ways than you can see. Subscribe to Scorpio Phoenix Fitness for more motivation, workouts, and wellness. Because fitness starts within. Scorpio Phoenix Fitness, rise, heal, become stronger.